You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. So my little one here saw me making rocks with pictures on them, and she decided that, oh, it's shiny. She decided that she wanted to do a rock with a picture on it too. And what did you want to do a rock with a picture on it of?
A snake and a dinosaur.
A snake and a dinosaur. And which one did you want to do first?
Dinosaur.
And you want to do a dinosaur? What kind of dinosaur? What kind is that?
A T-Rex.
A T-Rex. All right, so we're gonna do a T-Rex, but first we have to go pick out our rocks. So.
Yeah. And then after the T-Rex dinosaur, and then I'm gonna do a snake.
You're gonna do a snake after the T-Rex dinosaur. So we need to pick out a rock, and we need to pick out a picture of a T-Rex dinosaur.
And a snake.
And a picture of a snake. And we're gonna put those on rocks.
Daddy. Snakes in the zoo.
Snakes are in the zoo. You got a dirty face, miss. You're so funny. All right, let's go find a rock.
Yay!
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this.
First, we're gonna clean it off. So, can you clean this off? Go like this. Let's try it. See if you can clean it off. Hold it with one hand and brush it off.
Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
We're painting that big rock.
Yeah, we're gonna paint the big rock. So she's decided she wants the background of the dinosaur to be what colors?
Purple and blue.
Purple and blue. So we just happen to have some acrylic colors here. And you don't necessarily need acrylics because you could use a different kind of paint, but this will dry nice and fast. So we're gonna put some down right here. There's some purple. And
Now the blue.
now the blue.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
But what color are we gonna do the snake rock?
Yellow and
We're gonna do yellow and green?
yeah, yellow and green.
Alright, and we're gonna see how that works?
Yes.
Okay.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna.
Alright, now we just have to wait for those rocks to dry.
I'm gonna skip my breaks.
Alright, so while we're waiting for those rocks to dry, we're gonna cut out our pictures, huh? So exciting. And so I'm gonna cut out the T-Rex and you're gonna cut out the snake. Okay?
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
Dad, can I paint it?
Yes. So Now these rocks are dry, and we're going to paint some Mod Podge on the rocks.
Yep.
And then that will help the picture stay on there. So you get the brush, and hold on, wait. I'm going to dump a little bit on there, and you're going to spread it around quick. Okay, and get plenty on there.
But not
Good
white.
job.
But not white there.
Right.
Yeah, because I didn't paint white there.
All right, and let's get a little bit more on there.
Yeah.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna put that dinosaur on there. You ready?
Okay.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
So that one's done. So this time, instead of, we're gonna wait to put the snake on until this layer dries, but we're gonna paint some on here. So here we go. You ready to paint it?
Yep.
I met you in the
All right, now we're gonna paint this one.
I'm gonna paint that one. I'm
And
gonna
then-
paint.
So I'm gonna paint it, and you're gonna put the snake on it. You ready?
Okay, fine. You can paint it.
and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do?
All right, now put it upside down. Good job.
Just staring at
I
my
can't
walls.
Just
see
like
it.
that.
Now
I
and then
can't
I'll try to
see
laugh,
it.
but I'll cry a bit as well.
All right.
It's never
Now
any
we're
good at being
Oops.
away from you.
What?
I met you in the summer.
Let's see.
When you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
So it's the next day, and we're all ready to go downstairs and take the snake off and see what it looks like. Are you excited for today? Yeah, we're so excited. So that's what we're gonna do now. All right, and it's tomorrow, and we're so excited. Say it, are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so ready for this? All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray this with some water and get that back of the paper all wet. I'm gonna spray this one too. And we'll wait just a second, okay? Alright. That's right. Alright, now you take your finger and you rub this. Can you rub it?
Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
I think we're taking off a little too much dinosaur. All I see is teeth though. His teeth are pretty cool. All I see is arms.
I don't want you to take off him.
I know. If it doesn't work, we'll just do it over again. It's okay.
Look out, here she comes. The woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her.
Right, that was some cool testing, huh? That was a cool snake. All right, so we'll put those two side by side, and we see that this one, we put the acrylic on, and we put the Mod Podge on top of the acrylic to keep it from moving around. And this one, we just did acrylic. It still kind of worked, but I think that protective layer of Mod Podge on top of the acrylic helped transfer it a lot better. So it transferred to that Mod Podge a lot better here. And the acrylic there, it didn't do such a great job. The acrylic tends to come up, it doesn't stick too well to the acrylic. So what we learned is a couple things. First of all, one was having a white or lighter background, like this is a nice light yellow background, helped that color show through a lot better too. So we see it here, we see some color, but it would be better if we had like a much brighter purple in the background for this to show up on. So the white background is really going to help these pop. Pop! That's right, pop. And so that made a big difference. That was a really good test, huh? Yeah, that was really cool. Alright, do you like the snake?
Yeah.
Alright, let's rub a little bit more off of him. And, or off, a little bit more paper off his head and off the sides. And there we go. And that is such a cool snake. Should we go show our mom?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Alright, we did it. And there's a T-Rex. Yes. And there's a snake. Here, hold still, hold still. Alright, we got a snake. And the snake looks really good, huh? Which one's your favorite? The snake one? Okay. And she chose those. So we did a snake and a T-Rex, and the science experiment said that putting Mod Podge on top of the acrylic worked way better than not doing it, than just putting it straight on top of the acrylic. We'll probably do another experiment, maybe, with putting white on the back, or as a background for one of these, because I think that would work way better on these rocks. So, thanks for joining us. Remember to click like and subscribe, and share this with your friends, because that helps us out a lot. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.